Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes. Let's continue our history lesson. Rebuilding a world economy post-war era. So, making of a global world, this part we are doing. Rebuilding a world economy post-war era. First World War we have talked about. Now again the Second World War took place. We have studied in our previous class also. Number one is revision number one. The Second World War was a war. This is R, not S. This is Second World War. A war waged for 6 years. It was fought for 6 years, and that too on many fronts: land, air, sea. It was fought in the air, it was fought in the sea, it was fought on the land. So now this we have talked about in our previous class. Now let's continue now. Once again, death and destruction. Death and destruction was enormous. Enormous means huge, great. Just a few decades before First World War was fought, again after few decades back the Second World War was fought. So once again death and destruction was enormous. At least 60 million people were killed. That is 3% of the total population of the earth, of the world. 3% of the world population have been killed. 60 million people. At that time the population was not like this. It was lesser than this. So now 60 million people, that is 3% of the world population, had been killed. Millions more were injured. They were maimed for life. They could not use some part of their body for life. They became handicapped. So millions more were injured. Number 3, it was not like the First World War. In the First World War, the battles were fought and the people were killed in the battlefield. But in the Second World War, more civilians were killed than the soldiers, because the battle was fought. This time death took place outside the battlefield. Outside the battlefield, that means in the cities, in the towns, in the villages, people were killed. How? By the bombs which were dropped by the aeroplanes, fighter planes. It was not like the First World War. This time, the Second World War, death took place outside the battlefield. Many civilians died than soldiers. Many civilians died more than the soldiers, because vast means very big. Vast part of Europe and Asia were devastated, destroyed. All the cities, towns, infrastructure, everything was destroyed. Several cities were destroyed by aerial bombardment. Aerial bombardment, the bombs were dropped from fighter planes. Aerial bombardment. Due to this, cities, towns were destroyed. All the factories, infrastructure, everything, whatever they have constructed, whatever they have built after the First World War, again it was destroyed due to aerial bombardment. That's why more civilians died than the soldiers. The war was fought outside the battlefield. The war caused immense, great, huge amount of economic and social disruptions. Economic and social devastation, you can say that. Destroy. Destruction of economy and destruction of social order. So this war has caused misery to millions of people. Reconstruction, again. Reconstruction promised to be long and difficult. How to reconstruct again? Because as it is, they were overburdened with the loans which they have borrowed from America and other rich countries. After the First World War, again the Second World War took place, and everything, whatever they have constructed, again destroyed. Again they had to borrow the loan. So who will give every time? Because the first loan which they have borrowed, they have not repaid. Now again they needed the second time the loan again. So the reconstruction of infrastructure and the social order or economic order promised to be long and difficult, very, very difficult. It was not easy. Two important influences shaped post-war. After the war, two important influences took place. What was that? What were those? Post-war reconstruction. Post-war, post means after the war, reconstruction proved long and difficult. But it had an influence. What type of influence? USA emerged, came out. Emerge means come out. USA come out as economic, political and military power on one side in the Western world. In the Western world, America became superpower. Militarily, economically and politically. They were very powerful because they had a lot of wealth. And in the Eastern world, Soviet Union was another dominant power in the Asian continent. So there were two groups. In the Western world, America, and the Eastern world, we have Russia. These two countries became the two power blocks after the Second World War. So they emerged as economic giant, politically strong and militarily also strong they became, and other smaller countries depended on them for loans. So, and the reconstruction proved very long and difficult. Not impossible, but very, very difficult, because most of the countries were overburdened with loans as it is due to First World War. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lesson about this. So this is making of a global world, rebuilding a world economic post-war era. This number 7 altogether. So then this will continue in our next class. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet in the next class, and stay safe and do your work regularly.